Welcome to What is School of Languages. My name is Wat Philip Adams, your tutor for this particular lessons. In my previous video, I made mention of the table of contents. So in this lesson, we are going to have a look at the first lesson on articles, Let's have a look at the objectives. By the end of this lesson, the people will be able to identify the articles a, and, some, and there, and also know how to use them. À la fin de cette leçon, l'élève sera en mesure d'identifier les articles et, and, some et there. Aussi, de savoir où les utiliser. Let's quickly have a look at the French, the English alphabet. The alphabet is made up of or consists of vowels and consonants. So you have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. 5 vowels, 21 consonants. Now let's look at the usage of the an et the a. L'utilisation de a, the a et the an. You should know that the article a, the article an is used in front of words that begin with any of these 5 vowels. A, let's say a, e, I, o, u. That's the vowels that go with the article an. So in front of words that begin with these vowels, use the article an instead of a. How will you get it? And that word should always be in singular form. It shouldn't be plural. Ces mots doivent toujours être au singulier, pas au pluriel. Et si vous voulez utiliser l'article an, veuillez considérer la première lettre qui débute le mot. Let's quickly have a look at few examples. I have an apple in my bag. Example 1. I have an apple in my bag. J'ai une pomme dans mon sac. J'ai une pomme dans mon sac. Example 2. I saw an orange on the table. I saw an orange on the table. J'ai vu une orange sur la table. J'ai vu une orange sur la table. Example 3. An elephant is the biggest animal. An elephant is the biggest animal. Un éléphant est le plus gros des animaux. Un éléphant est le plus gros des animaux. Number 4. This is an image of Christ. This is an image of Christ. Ceci est une image de Christ. Number 5. I have an umbrella. I have an umbrella. J'ai un parapluie. Let's have a look at the 5 examples mentioned here. The first one begins with a vowel, that is apple, A. The second one begins with also a vowel, that is orange, O. The third one begins with a vowel, that is elephant, E. The fourth one begins with a vowel, I, that is image. And the fifth one begins with a vowel, U, sorry. So when you consider those examples here, the article to be used is an, not a. Est-ce que vous avez compris? Dans ces exemples, nous voyons que ces mots commencent par des voyelles dans les 5 exemples mentionnés. Et vous allez comprendre que les voyelles vont avec l'article an, pas a. Let's continue with the a, the usage of the a. Where do you use a? A is used in front of a word that begins with a consonant. A word beginning with a consonant, and that word must also be masculine, a singular form. Singular form. A est utilisé devant un mot singulier qui commence par une consonne. Example, have examples here. A man came here. That's the example one. A man came here. Un homme est venu ici. Un homme est venu ici. Example two. I want a pencil. I want a pencil. Je veux un crayon. Je veux un crayon. Example three. I have a friend called Adams. I have a friend called Adams. J'ai un ami qui s'appelle Adams. When you look at the example 1, 2, and 3, we can see that the first one begins with a consonant M in the word man. The second one, we have pencil that begins with letter P, which is a consonant. And the third one, we have friend that begins with letter F, which is a consonant. Therefore, we need to use the A instead of the an. So here we can conclude by saying that the A and the an are always used in front of, are always used instead of the, because they are indefinite articles to make mention of indefinite, or let's say non-specified noun. Who are they? If they are indefinite articles, so it means that they also identify indefinite or non-specified words. Example, a driver can have an accident. Un chauffeur peut avoir un accident. Nous comprenons ici que le mot chauffeur n'est pas spécifié et l'accident n'est pas spécifié. De quel type de chauffeur parlons-nous? Ce n'est pas déterminé ici. Here, the kind of driver or the type of driver we are talking about is not identified here or specified here. Therefore, we can conclude that the A and the an are indefinite articles. Examples. And let's also not forget this one. Let's also not forget it. A and an mean un et une in French. It doesn't mean that when you translate the A to the French, it will be un and the an to be une. No. We are just trying to tell you that in French, we have feminine and masculine. But in English, we don't have such. But when we are translating the words into French, there you know the article that we are using is un or une. Cela sous-entend ici que il n'y a pas de féminin et de masculin en anglais, mais lorsque vous utilisez le mot et que vous faites la traduction vous permettra de savoir si l'article est un et une. C'est ce que cela sous-entend. Donc, faites beaucoup attention, ne faites pas de confusion pour dire que non, un est e et une est un. Non, c'est pas ça. Mais le mot vous permettra de savoir le genre de l'article. Donc, les exemples sont les suivants. A book. Ici, a book, un livre. A book, un livre. An umbrella, un parapluie. A table, une table. An ant, une tente. Ou an auntie, une tante. Dans ces exemples, nous avons vu que tous ces mots commencent par soit des consonnes ou soit des voyelles. Mais le genre du mot en français va déterminer l'article à utiliser en français, qui peut être un ou une. Now, where do you use a or where do you use an? In conclusion, I'm just bringing you the conclusion of what I just said. The a is used in front of a masculine singular noun beginning with a consonant. A in front of masculine singular noun beginning with a consonant. A est utilisé devant un mot masculin singulier commençant par une consonne. It is used in front of a feminine singular noun beginning with a consonant. Feminine singular noun beginning with a consonant. C'est aussi utilisé devant un mot qui est féminin singulier, mais commençant par une consonne. An. An is used in front of a masculine singular noun beginning with a vowel. That's the most important thing here, a vowel. And you know we have 5 vowels here. A, E, I, O, U. So there you can use the an. And an is also used in front of a feminine singular noun beginning with a vowel. All right, this is the end of today's lesson. I brought you a lesson on articles a and an and how to use them or where to use them. I entreat you to be part of the next class because I'll bring you the continuation of this lesson by starting from the there and also the sun. And at the end, we come out with activity to practice. I entreat you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, What is School of Languages, to get more videos. Better stay, remain blessed. Merci d'être parmi nous ce jour-ci et de bénéficier de cette leçon. J'ai été en mesure de vous envoyer une leçon sur les articles a and an en anglais. Je vous encourage à suivre la prochaine leçon ou de voir la prochaine vidéo qui parlera des articles de et sans. Vous pouvez aussi souscrire à notre chaîne YouTube What is School of Languages pour avoir plusieurs vidéos ou pour regarder plusieurs vidéos. Et n'oubliez pas de cliquer sur aimer et de partager. Stay blessed. Until then, I would like to say very big thank you for watching us from Studio B of What is School of Languages. Au revoir et à la prochaine. Thank you very much and goodbye.